Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. Suture joint is found in a suture is a type of fibrous joint that is found in the skull. These bones are bounded together by Sharpie's fibers. A tiny amount of movement is permitted in the sutures, which contributes to the compliance and elasticity of the skull. Okay, so a suture is found in the A, hip, no, B, ankle, not at all, C, skull, of course. So the answer option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.